Well, good morning. Welcome to day 7 of the 7-Lake Circuit in Argentina. As you know, yesterday I was exhausted after climbing Cerro Malo, and I took a couple hours at the beach after, and then I had a huge meal at Rosa's. And the fallout this morning, I actually feel okay. But as you know, I have a cold, and I've had 2 days and 2 peaks, and I really think that I don't want to push it, and I need to take a rest day today. So this morning, I'm going to go to the library, get on the computer, catch up on the world, and then we're going to go for an amazing pizza at Pizza Cala. And then later in the afternoon, we're going to start a return trip to Bariloche on the 7-Lake Circuit. But we've got a lot of stuff to do on the way back, so we're going to drive as far as the free campsite at the foot of Cerro Faulkner, where we'll stay for the night, and that'll put us in great position to take an exciting side trip on one of the side highways to climb another peak. Let's get up and get started.
Welcome to SWELLER'S and SWELLER'S. We've got oats, banana, powdered milk, and a dollop of dulce leche.
Now we just gotta mix it up.
Ready to go.
Cool looking vendor on the street selling wicker out of a truck with a guard dog. Saturday afternoon, street market. San Martin is full of beautiful, quiet, tree-lined streets like this one. And I'm back at Pizza Cala for another Hawaiian pizza. It is Saturday at 1 p.m. and this place is a zoo. Both inside and the patio up front are packed. Well, even though it was so busy, it only took 20 minutes and the pizza is ready. So I walked across the street to the park. Oh, look at that. Gooey, gooey, and delicious looking. Let's dive in. I can't wait. It's a thin crust style, but full of toppings and ooey gooey cheese. Mmm. Delicious. Look at that. Pineapple. Perfection. Final verdict. Well, for 5,000 Argentinian pesos, or about $6, it's a pretty solid deal. If you're in San Martin de los Andes in Argentina, you should definitely stop in to Pizza Cala. This park in San Martin is absolutely beautiful with ginormous monkey puzzle trees. It's so calm and chilled out. Saturday afternoon. Well worth a visit. All right, it's 7 p.m. Changing plans. I was getting ready to leave town for the camp at Faulkner, getting groceries and stuff, and I just felt so tired. I went to the beach and sat on a bench and actually started to fall asleep. And I don't know. I have one extra day in this Seven Lake circuit that I've been trying to figure out what to do with. And I thought, well, here's the perfect opportunity. I'm not sure if I went with my original plan, if I would be able to climb a peak tomorrow, which I was planning to do. If I wasn't able to, and I didn't feel good, I am stuck in the middle of nowhere. If I stay here one more day, I can use my extra day of my circuit to sit on the beach and have an extra day to rest. And I have services and stores here. It's just a much more pleasant place to hang out. There's really no disadvantage to delaying by a day. Sorry. The other advantage is that in Angostura, I wanted to visit this restaurant. And if I had gone with my original plan, I would have ended up being there in 2 days, which is December 25th, which is Christmas Day. And they're not open Mondays. It's a Monday. They're not open Mondays, and it's Christmas, so they're not going to be open. So if I delay a day, it's perfect because they'll be open, and I get to visit this restaurant. So I just think it's a no-brainer for me to hang out here. It is really hard for me to kind of like lounge around. I'm just not a lounger, and I really have to force myself. But in this case, it makes sense in every way. So I'm going to hang out and chill out. Maybe you should chill out too.
So I'm kind of sick right now with a cold. Well, this pretty much sums up how I feel. There is no place on earth that people don't flock to the street market. Once again, I am in my favorite restaurant in San Martin de los Andes, Argentina. As you know, I'm a bit under the weather, I'm not feeling good, so I wanted to come here again because I know what to expect, and it's a hearty meal, and I need it. We got some veggies on a bed of lettuce, some cheese, some sausage, and some chunks of beef on a bed of lettuce. And of course, our huge basket of bread. I just love these vegetables. Do you know what this fatty salami is? It's pure cold-fighting power. Bring it on! And these cubes of cheese, very nice. And these little cubes of beef, these are a preview of what is to come, my friends. And the appetizer is here. We've got a deer empanada. This thing is spectacular. Filled with meat in a light puffy pastry. While it's true there is no cure for the common cold, it's rumored that deer empanadas can help significantly. Yeah. Are you officially supposed to eat the bed of lettuce that things come on? Well, I don't really care. I'm eating it. For the main, I was going to mix it up a little bit tonight and get chicken, but when I'm sick, what I need is predictability. So I decided to go with what I know here, a beef steak. A big piece of beef with nicely done grill marks, accompanied by a pile of mashed potatoes. This piece of meat I got tonight is great, lean and tender. These mashed potatoes probably have a couple of pounds of butter in them, but you know what? That is okay right now. I still can't decide which I like better, the fresh baguette or the crunchy toasted pieces. And finally, to finish, dessert has arrived. We've got a mountainous flan, egg custard, a dollop of dulce leche, and some whipped cream. This thing is beyond delicious, and I assure you, pure cold-fighting power. So, final verdict? Well, with Rosas, you really can't go wrong. For 8,200 pesos, or about $9, including tip, it is a steal. If you are in San Martin de los Andes in Argentina, make sure that you stop by.
Next time on Sweller Van Dweller.
What's that?
Guess I don't speak any of those languages.
If you enjoyed that video, then you should watch this one next. And if you've seen that one, well then you should watch this one. And if you've watched them both, well then, you're one of my top subscribers. And I appreciate you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.